Morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back to
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
I guess they go with your face.
Okay.
Looks so like.
Oh, I did my
stretchy.
regiment this morning.
Did you put your makeup on?
I did.
Oh,
I did.
cool. All right then. for the sake
I gotta look a little younger. Yeah.
All right then. So take a look at these guys. We just had our harvest this morning.
Yes.
Okras. So what we're gonna do with these okras, we're gonna do like saute or stir fried okra. It's very simple. Just okras and tofus. That's it. And we're gonna use bumbu putih, the basic seasoning.
Okay, so remember, putih is
The
a
basic
light.
Light. It's a piney
Fresh.
and nutty candle nut.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Okay, can you chop this like cut small?
Yes.
And then
yes.
I'm gonna put garlic a little bit here.
Okay,
So-
and you're gonna start heating up the napkin?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna start cutting up the okra.
And
then.
cutting up these first because you're gonna cook.
You're gonna
this
do that first?
Yes, do like
Cubes?
Yes, cubes.
Okay, bam. Like that?
Like this.
Or more?
Yeah, four, so 16.
Okay.
4, 16. Move
Okay.
a little bit that way.
Which way?
This way.
Huh?
So.
You want me to go this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No.
You gotta.
No.
There. Okay.
Okay.
So today, when we do the word of the day,
Yes.
we're actually going
let me
to
think.
spell it on the screen,
let
so
me
I
think.
can remember how to spell it.
Okay.
Did I do
Yeah,
that?
that's
okay.
All right. There.
Oh, you want me to do that?
Where is
I thought you want me to cut.
Okay.
Do you want me to cook or cut?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Because I can't do both. I'm not that talented.
Oh really? Okay. Coconut oil, guys.
Okay.
Coconut oil.
All right. So
just gonna cook the.
guys, today the sun is out. The sky is blue. It's been raining like crazy for days.
Got all of that.
So we're very excited about that. Hopefully the sun will hold up.
Boom. That's what you have. What is that? Tofu and.
Tofu and okra. The okra's awesome. One nice thing with all the rain, it has made this okra bust.
Our harvest, this one.
Yes. Okay. And am I gonna do all the okra? If we have any left over, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Ruben always gets upset because we don't bring him any of our leftovers from our
tofu here.
from our little cooking videos. All right, this one seems a little tough. So this one, oh shit. Yeah, I think this one's a little over, maybe too big.
This one.
This one.
Okay, so choose the don't mix it and don't mix it.
Yeah, I think so. That one's too.
Then we.
All right, so I'm gonna do the smaller ones.
Keep this for do the smaller one.
Yeah, the more tender ones are nicer. Yeah, these are nicer. All right, so now what?
Okay, so we're gonna cook the tofu first.
Okay.
Yeah, just keep cutting that.
So we had the restaurant open yesterday, and
I think that's it.
we thought it was going to be a washout. We had only had one customer all day, But then all of a sudden, like 8 o'clock, we were getting ready to close, and all of a sudden it was like everybody showed up, which was great. So
Okay.
we're hoping people are okay, getting more comfortable about coming out. You know, we're doing our part about keeping everybody safe in the restaurant. You know,
Because he's using the knife.
oh, what do you want here?
No, it's okay. This is the knife. This is what we do in Indonesia. We can use everything if you want to cook. Even on the river.
In the meantime, people don't want to come out.
Okay,
that's why
that's
we want to
I'm gonna put the garlic a little bit here.
do these videos.
Alright. Do this one too. Okra. Do the okra.
My mom hates okra.
Oh yeah.
So even when I talk to her about it on the
soup.
phone, she goes, "What? What?"
We make soup in Indonesia,
Yeah.
okras, but now I'm just gonna make something else.
But it's actually very nice. But it all depends on how you cook it. I mean, I was never a big fan of...
Take a look at this. You cut like this one, and then you cut.
All right, I don't have my glasses on. Give me that. I'll cut it again.
Oh, that's fine.
I've never been a fan of anchovies. At least the anchovies that I'm familiar with here and that we buy here, it's
Do
just
you want
like
to put anchovies here?
No. It's like a chunk of salt. But the anchovies that I've had in Indonesia are phenomenal. Abe fries those with peanuts and sambal. Oh gosh, to die for. To die for. So good.
Smell was like. So this is the thing about okras when I was kid, because see the okras, you know, they have that kind of slimy. I don't really.
I guess it's like, it's the oil or something.
It's not oil because they
What
have
is
that kind of sap.
Okay.
That's slimy. In Indonesia, especially in my island, we make a soup. I don't really eat it because it's like. Slimy like that.
That's what my mom said that she doesn't like about it.
Yeah.
I remember my mom making okra one time.
Take a look at that. Like a slimy.
When I was little, it was the worst.
Alright.
It was just like goo, like nasty. And it was gross.
But nasty is good for you.
No, it was nasty.
Okay, and then we're gonna use bumbu putih. That is the basic one. I'm gonna do like 1 and 2.
And if it was me cooking, I'd probably do 3.
Yeah, we can always try, like I said, do less first. If you want more, then you can try. But if you do more and then you cannot make it less. Can you bring me some water or something? Take a look at that, the slimy okra. With tofu. And then we're gonna put umami. Salt. Umami. And you want it spicy or not?
Yeah, let's make it spicy. You want water?
That's a little bit. I think I'm good. I don't want to put water. But I want a crunchy. What I need. Do you want to chop chilies or do you want a sambal? I'll do sambal.
Do you have the sambal there?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need the chicken base here?
No. Oh. No, that's gonna be something else.
Okay. Guys, this is looking phenomenal. That is the word for today. Phenomenal.
Ooh, spicy.
Okay, how would you say that in Indonesian?
Oh, phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Okay. In Indonesian, phenomenal. We'll spell that. Alright, so
Let them
what is
dry
the
out there.
Indonesian word for today?
Indonesian word for today is phenomenal. I'll do Indonesian word.
Yeah. Give me one.
Yeah, we call it luar.
Oh, Jesus.
So luar,
Huh?
luar
Luar.
biasa,
Luar biasa.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
like beyond a normal, meaning
Luar biasa.
meaning what is you say phenomenal?
Phenomenal.
Yeah, which is phenomenal, like luar biasa. But if
Luar biasa.
yeah, but if you
So we're gonna put
translate-
the spelling out there.
But if you translate, it's become luar is like outside of a normal.
Outside of normal. Okay.
Yeah, which is
okay.
phenomenal.
Luar biasa.
Yeah,
Okay.
luar biasa. Take a look at that. Ooh,
Looks
I
so
like it.
good.
Kind of a dry.
Alright, did you try it?
Oh yeah, that's right.
And
luar biasa.
luar biasa.
Okay. You want more salt? Ooh, spicy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
If you want, and then eat with white rice. This is for vegan out there. Okay.
Wow. Okay, let me get the. Hold on.
I'm gonna put more. Okay. Beside tofu, you can do tempeh here too. Okay. And then we don't really eat salt. Okay, like you say, I'm gonna put one more spoon. So it was 3, right? Okay, guys, 3. That spiciness. Okay, I think we are good. Let me see. We are good. Let me try. It's very simple taste. Yeah. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Ching ching.
Luar biasa.
Luar biasa.
Yeah, 8%. Again and again I say it's very clean and very basic taste, but this is what I like.
And it's got the kick from the sambal.
Yeah.
Wow. And if you had the white rice, perfect combo.
It's very simple. Like I say, clean, simple.
And the okra is amazing.
Yeah.
But it does not have that sliminess to it.
Yeah, because we make it
Because you
dry.
cooked it very
Dry.
dry.
Yeah, if you cook it dry, yeah.
Phenomenal. Inat sekali.
Luar biasa.
Luar biasa.
Okay.
Really good.
If you want more salt, you can put this salt on the top.
Wow.
Because we didn't we didn't really eat a lot of salt, so you guys wanna have salt?
Is this the sambal?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you wanna put sambal?
Yeah.
Stop, that's too much.
Guys, I like the sambal.
You like spicy.
And I drop a piece of tofu over here. I think he's gonna do another video in a minute
Yeah.
with long bean.
Yeah. long as bean and huge.
Look at that long ass bean.
Take a look at that. And huge.
Huge. And we have several of them. So
I think they are different type.
it's got to be, because these are huge compared to this one. Yeah. So we need to make sure that we dry some of these too.
Yeah.
I don't remember having two different types of beans.
I thought we have 3 or 4 ago.
I don't remember that, but oh well, I'm excited. If you ever feel like eating a little healthier once in a while, and you have this thing, vegetarian food doesn't taste good, you're wrong. Because with our seasoning,
This is luar biasa.
luar biasa.
Okay. We're gonna cook the next one, so don't get too full.
I could just keep eating.
Ooh.
So good.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we're gonna save this one.
Don't forget to
we have-
subscribe,
Have to do another video.
like, share, comment, and then we're gonna give you the second cooking, the second dish. Okay, let me give one. Okay, guys,
17,000flavors.cooking.
order your seasoning
Order your seasoning.
because we want you to make the world tastier with 17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
And don't forget to, we are going to be featured on diners, drive-ins, and dives with Guy
No.
Fieri.
Diners, dive, and drive-in.
Okay, Triple D.
Oh no, diners, drive-in, and dive.
Whatever, Triple D with,
Yeah. There you go.
with Guy Fieri. July 10th, 9 p.m. Central on the Food Network. Check that time. And we're featuring our restaurant, and we are showing him how to use our seasonings. So we're very excited about that. It's finally showing. We did the taping in our restaurant in
January.
January. So really excited about seeing how that turned out.
I thought we were gonna go.
Huh?
I thought we already said goodbye. No?
Oh, okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Okay, next. No, don't too full, baby, because I'm gonna make something else.
Okay,